book will enable you to discover, realize, and utilize the 10 golden rules that can change your life. This book will help you to establish new goals, develop sense of self-confidence, improve communication skill, discover the power of positive players, successful and happy. Do not cut down the whole book in one reading. This book should be read slowly and carefully, one chapter at a time. I hope by the time you finish reading this book, your life would be much more illuminated. Nilesh Narayan Kasture. Introduction. In year 2007, when I was in Singapore, one day my younger brother Yogesh asked me, Dada, can you earn 1 lakh in 1 year? I did not answer anything. He also gave me advice for setting goals. At that time, I am working in Vishnu Ports Private Limited, Jalgaon, as assistant accountant. My salary is very negligible. Then I decided to set goals of earning 1 lakh in 1 year. But in that year, I could not achieve my target. From that day, I used to set goals. My hobby is reading books. I became a member of Baba Varshnaya Library in Jalgaon from 2007. Reading good books and makes notes from it. I am writing diary from 1999. When my mother noticed that I am writing very well, she encourages me to write on new topics and daily writing. I write my first book based on 2 books. First is You Can Win and second is the 10 Powers Within You. First book, You Can Win, gifted by my brother Yogesh Narayan Kasture, and second, which was given by my auntie Smita Satish Kulkarni. I am very thankful for for nice books. When I finish both books, I get results. My confidence builds up. Table of content. Dedication 2. Preface 3. Introduction 4. First, dream 6. Second, goal 7. 3. Self-confidence 8. 4. Motivation 9. 5. Interpersonal skill 10. 6. Habit 11. 7. Decision making 12. Money 8. Money 13. 9. Authenticity 14. 10. Prayer 15. Conclusion 16. First, dream. If you can dream it, you can do it. Walt Disney. If you want to become successful in life, then you want to see big dreams. Without dream, you could not get success in life. If you dream big and try to follow that dreams, you get inspired. You get motivation to complete your dream into reality. Here are few simple tips for dream big and think creatively. The tips are as follows. First, be an experimental person. Second, be an adventurous person. Third, try to break up fixed routines. 4. Read new books. 5. Try to make new friends. 6. Do something new and different every day. 7. Catch a different train to work. 8. Drive a different route to work someday. 9. Make yourself visible at new restaurants. 10. Take 15 days vacation to a different destination this year. Second goal. What keeps me going is goals. Muhammad Ali. If you want to success in life, you must set goals. Goals must be smart. A specific, A measurable, A achievable, are realistic and time bound. Goals can be short term, mid term and long term. Here are some simple tips for setting goals for beginners. The tips are as follows. First, be exactly clear on what you want. Second, write down in your daily diary. Third, read your goal twice a day, morning and night. 4. Invent new ways you are going to adapt to achieve your goal. 5. Check out strategic plan. 6. Identify the possible obstacle. 7. Identify the possible people who can help you to achieve your goal. 8. Try to visualize a clear picture yourself enjoying the completion of your goal. 9. Continue for at least 21 days or 6 weeks. 10. Put action hard work into your plans. 11. Fix deadline. 12. Check your progress periodically. 5 techniques that will help you to set and visualize your goal. First, take a piece of paper and write down your goal. Second, xerox this paper 10 times and stick it at different places. For example, in your wallet, in your bag, in your locker, in your office file, etc. So that you can come across it and see this paper more often. Third, read it early morning. Try to read it aloud. 4. Read it before going to bed. Try to visualize what you want to achieve. 5. Continue for at least 6 weeks. There are 12 steps to goal setting process. They are as follows. First, decide exactly what you want in every key area of life. Second, write it down. Third, set a deadline. 4. Identify the obstacles that you will have to overcome to achieve your goal. 5. Identify the knowledge, information and skills you will need to achieve your goal. 6. Identify the people whose help and cooperation you will require to achieve your goal. 7. Make a list of everything you will have to do to achieve your goal. 8. Organize your list into a plan. You organize the list by arranging the steps that you identify by sequence and priority. 9. Make a plan. Organize your list into a series of steps from the beginning all the way through to the completion of your goal. 10. Select your number 1 most important task for each day. 11. Develop the habit of self-discipline. 12. Practice visualization on your goals. Third, self-confidence. Confidence comes from discipline and training. Robert Kiyosaki. Self-confidence simply means having trust in one's abilities, second, qualities, and third, judgment. When we have trust in our ability, qualities, and judgment, we become self-confident. Here are some simple tips to boost your confidence level. The tips are as follows. First, don't put yourself down. Second, be yourself. Don't apologize for being you think. You are someone special. B, you are unique. C, you are different from others. D, you have your own identity. E, you have strength as well as weakness. Third, be decisive. Make up your mind and stick to your decision. Don't say I will say yes or no. 4, never say I can't do it. Rather say I will try it and I can do it. 5, always think about your positive actions taken in the past. Try to write a list of them and read them often. 6, start with small things and work up to bigger things. 7, dream and set goals. Visualize yourself as you want to become. 8, look people in their eyes. Speak distinctly, dress well. Shake hands firmly. Walk, talk and act confidently. And soon you will feel more confident yourself. 30 affirmative sentences. I look for positive in myself. Second, I look for positive in all people. Third, I accept myself totally and unconditionally. 4, I am confident. 5, I never let myself down. 6, I will learn from my mistakes done in the past. 7, I and only I decide what things will enter my mind. 8, I am completely determined about my future life. 9, I will control all my actions. 10, I will become what I want. 11, I will live with certain principles in my life. 12, I welcome change. I will live with self-control and discipline. 14, I am bound to love myself unconditionally. 15, I am bound to love other people unconditionally. 16, I am the only one to enrich my life. 17, every day I will act toward betterment. 18, my faith can move mountains. 19, any activity I will do hereafter will be result oriented. 20, I will make the best of every situation. 21, I will forgive myself and others. 22, my listening is my strength. 23, I am not dumb. 24, I am firm on my values. I love my duties and responsibility. 26, I will not hold guilt and grudges with myself and anybody else. 27, together with other people, I will try to make this world a better place to live in. 28, I will overcome my weakness of anger. 29, I am not a general gossip manager, critic or arrogant. 30, I am totally focused about my goals in personal and professional life. Chapter 4, motivation. Put your heart, mind and soul into even your smallest acts. This is the secret of success. Swami Sivananda. Motivation is something that encourages action or feeling. To motivate means to encourage and inspire. Motivation can be defined as motive for action. It is a force that can change your life. Here are some simple tips for motivate others. The tips are as follows. First, give recognition. Second, give respect. Third, make work interesting. 4, be a good listener. 5, throw a challenge. Fifth, communication skill. Communication is the first pillar of love. Alan Michael. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Helen Keller. Communication means share or exchange of information. Communication is something people do. It has all to do with relationships between people. The powerful your communication, the powerful your relationship with others. There are many benefits of powerful communication. 5 of them are as follows. First, pay and perk increases. Second, harmony and opportunity increases. Third, increased quality of life will improve personal and professional relationship. 4, increase self-confidence and personal performance. 5, enhance feelings of safety and friendship. Here are some simple tips to become a effective communicator. The tips are as follows. First, talk up, not down to people. Second, try to surprise people. Third, tempt people. 4, flatter the people. 5, tell them what you want. To build pleasant personality out of following tips, the tips are as follows. First, accept responsibility. Second, consideration. Third, think win-win. 4, choose your words carefully. 5, smile and be kind. 6, don't criticize and complain. 7, be a good listener. 8, be enthusiastic. 9, give honest and sincere appreciation. 10, put positive interpretation on other people's behavior. 11, don't gossip. 12, discuss but don't argue. 13, turn your promises into commitment. 14, practice humility. 15, be understanding and caring. 16, show empathy. 17, to have a friend, be a friend. 18, develop a sense of humor. Practice courtesy on daily basis. 20, be dependent and practice loyalty. 21, don't be sarcastic and put others down. 22, forgive and forget. 23, when we make a mistake, accept it immediately and willingly. 24, when the other people realize and admit that he has made a mistake, congratulate him and give him a way out to save face. 25, practice honesty, integrity and sincerity. 6, habit. Habit is 10 times nature, Wellington. Anything we do repeatedly becomes a habit. We learn by doing. Behaving courageously, we learn courage. By practicing honesty, we learn traits. By practicing these traits, we master them. Attitudes are habits and can be changed. We all have some negative habits and that are pulling up down. Take 15 minutes alone and undisturbed to make a list of all negative habits that are pulling you down. Take 15 minutes alone and undisturbed to make a list of positive habits you want to develop. Attitudes are a way to program your subconscious mind. Here are some simple tips for forming good habits. The tips are as follows. First, go to a spot where you won't be disturbed. Second, make a list of your associations in the present tense. Third, repeat association at least twice a day. First thing in the morning and end of the day. In the morning, the mind is fresh and receptive, and at night you deposit the positive picture in your mind overnight. 4, repeat it consecutively for next 21 days until it becomes a habit. 5, association alone will not work. They need visualization. Visualization is the process of creating and seeing a mental picture of the kind of thing you want to have or do, or the kind of person you want to be. Visualization goes hand in hand with association. Every day, in every way, I am getting better is the most powerful association in every situation. 7, decision making. Be your own judge and you will be happy. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The process of deciding or settlement of a question is called decision making. Every great leap forward in life is preceded by clear decision and a commitment to action. The power of decision is the power to change. There are 3 basic rules for decision making. First, when we confront a situation boldly and step forward courageously, a series of unseen focus seem to emerge to help us achieve our goals. Second, act if it were impossible for you to fail. Third, just do it. Here are some simple tips to become more decisive and confident in life. The tips are as follows. First, the difference between success and failure is knowledge, but only knowledge that is acted upon. Second, the only people who don't make mistakes are people who do nothing throughout their life. Third, measure your commitment by your actions. Your success will follow. Fourth, try to do today what others will not do, so that you can achieve tomorrow what others cannot. Fifth, anything worth doing is worth doing wrong until you learn how to do it right. So just go out and do something. 6, believe ignorance on fire is better than knowledge on ice. 7, don't just be efficient, be effective. 8, success is never ending and failure is never final. So just think well and just do it. 9, your actions speak louder than your words. 10, make dreams not excuses. Be a climber or a camper, but never be a quitter. Eight, money. Money is a good servant but a bad master. Francis Bacon. Money is what we pay in exchange for service or products purchased. Money is something which is on number one position of importance in our life, but we must not compromise with our conscience, ethics, values, and religion in the process of acquiring it, because money can buy a bed but not the sleep, second book but not the brains, third jewelry but not the beauty, four amusement but not happiness, five acquaintance but not true friends. Any person who can earn efficiently, save sufficiently, and invest wisely can attract more money in his life. The six most important roles of money with the rich and successful new are as follows. First, saving. Second, investing. Third, accumulating. Fourth, abundance. Fifth, magnetism. Sixth, conserving. 9. Authenticity. Honesty is the best policy proverb. If your words and action match, then it means you are authentic. If you speak truth in circumstances, even when they are unpleasant, means you are authentic. Here are some simple tips to become more authentic. The tips are as follows. First, be honest in your dealing with others. Second, work hard for fair rewards and harder for better rewards. Third, be fair and thoughtful to others. Fourth, learn to give before you get in line. Fifth, strive to learn something new every day. Sixth, make a commitment to your work. 7, correct your mistakes and learn from them. 8, set clear goals before beginning a task. 9, serving others first. 10, prayer. Prayer is the voice of faith, Martin Luther. Anyone who wants to experiment and discover the amazing power of prayer must follow 10 tips. The tips are as follows. First, set aside few minutes every day for God. Second, talk to God. Third, feel the presence of God. 4, pray to make your offering accepted. 5th, God loves those who loves God. 6, use positive thought only. 7, accept whatever is given to you by God. 8, be confident about God. 9, pray without resentment. 10, pray for the well-being of others. Conclusion. You have now learned top 10 secrets or golden rules for achieving more success in life. By practicing these rules and principles, you can accomplish more in coming months, years, and lifetime. Here are the 10 golden rules for your bright future and success in life. First, dream. Dream big dreams. By dreaming big and following them, you become inspired. Second, goal. By setting goals, you can design your bright future. Third, self-confidence. You can build your confidence by practicing this rule. 4, motivation. By motivating self and others, you get inspired. 5th, communication. You can build positive personality and team spirit. 6, habit. You can perform positive habits by giving auto suggestions and visualization. 7, decision making. You can forward in life is preceded by a clear decision and a commitment to action. 8, money. You can increase your money by saving and accumulating. 9, authenticity. You can become more authentic by serving others first. 10, prayer. You can feel the presence of God by praying. There they are, the 10 golden rules to become successful in life. Your regular review and practice of these rules will enable you to live an extraordinary life. Good luck.